So this is the way that you do a TikTok video. So in this case, I clicked on a video that I sent to somebody so they can learn to dance. You hit use this sound, and as soon as you click use this sound, you see that it shoots up to 10 seconds, that shows how long the song is. You can change the speed to very fast, where it makes you go in slow motion, as you see. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. So see how I'm going in slow motion because the song went by really fast. Then that's the speed. You can change the filters. So I picked V11 for this one. And then you can always hit the back arrow and start over again. This is showing you the 0.5. There I go, being slow. All right. So then there's normal speed, where you don't have any type of speed. You just do the regular thing. And yeah, it's pretty interesting. Just showing you how the things look. This is in slow motion because we did the speed up the sound part and compared to the normal speed here. Also, there is 2x speed and there is 3x speed. So what you can do is you can slow the music down so that you can do the moves better. I suggest if you've never learned if you don't really know how to dance, this may be the best one for you until you learn the moves of the dance. There's also filters you can use. There's different places like new, interactive, editing, beauty, and just to show you really quick, I put on the clown face. That's what you can do in your TikTok as well when you're creating your videos. See what else there is here. The filters, there's the normal filter and the vibes, and see the little picture where it says upload. You can upload a video as well. You can turn on beauty mode, and apparently I haven't been having beauty mode on any of mine, so that kind of shocked me. But yeah, and then you can edit your music by selecting clip or trim right there below the 3. The timer is located on the 3 as well, and speed. And so there's a timer that's right above the note right there, that'll do like a countdown for you, like 3 seconds, you know. But I don't know why I'm doing this. I'm just steadily just doing stuff for what reason, I don't know. But then when you're ready, you can put in a hashtag, and you can just create your own hashtag, or you can hit the hashtag and you can select from below. I'm like pet things, and I have other ones on there like Elvis Presley. You can add people, which is your friends or just anybody. They don't have to be your friends. I hope this kind of helps, and type in something that is relevant, or you don't have to type in anything at all. Hope this helps. Hi, how are you? How are you doing? This is my timer. It's my timer. It's my timer. You can change between 3 seconds and 10 seconds. I hope you like it.